Hey, greetings folks. Performance Reviews, where I give the review from the technician's point of view. And today we have a KARCHER WD3. And if you're unfamiliar with KARCHER, KARCHER's a German company that makes like commercial cleaning equipment. They don't just do vacuums, but in my mind, I know them most for vacuum cleaners. KARCHER also relabels some SIBOs and other things. This is not that though. This is their own design. And these are pretty widely available. So widely available, I don't understand why anybody would buy any of the crap from Home Depot. So we're going to take a look at this and see if it's any good today. And I suspect it will be better than, your average shop vac. I'm also curious about the noise level and the dust emissions, which we'll also discuss hopefully in this video. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. That helps us out a whole lot. And if this video is useful to you, check out the links below. I'll probably have a link that benefits the channel as well. So let's go ahead and open this WD3, not to be confused with WD-40. I will say that this box is fantastic. It is just like the quality of like the graphics and stuff on this box are better than some of the $1,000 vacuums I've opened up. So great attention to detail. At the time of filming, I was able to get this for under $100, so do with that information as you please. So let's go ahead and open it. Several languages. I love it, the Esperanto, the Espanol. I just love the way that vacuum cleaner sounds like that. Anyway, so it's a wet dry vacuum cleaner. It says do not return to the store. So I guess that would explain why we see KARCHER refurbished stuff. So we open this up, and we see a muchas gracias sticker right here. Nice smiley face, 5-star review. How to get parts. They have the filter and the bag part number right here on the box. So that's nice to see. Oh, right away we are greeted with a bag. Oh, and there's a QR code and a part number on the bag. That is a big bag. It is asymmetrical, which is interesting. So it's kind of a thin material. Well, we'll see. Now, oh, the hose. Ooh, the hose is nice and flexible. This is already, I'm going to tell you what, this is better than a VacMaster already. Let's pull the machine out. And, oh, we got just 2 basic plastic wands. Another muchas gracias. A WD2, W3 Plus. 2-year limited warranty for residential use only. So what if we use it commercially? Oh, well, that's interesting. And that cord is really thick too. Alright, so that's what we got in the box. Now, let's see what's inside here. There's these latches. Here is the rest of it. Ooh, interesting floor tool. So the floor tool has bristles in front and a squeegee in the rear. No VISA-work markings, but well, that does come out. Unfortunately, no other markings, but the brushes do snap in and out. I don't know why you would do that. I guess maybe if you want to change the squeegee, but there's nothing else given. This is interesting. I wonder if they make other versions of this. It says KARCHER on it, and oh, it has a docking spot. We have that, we have casters, and we have a crevice tool. So if you wanted an upholstery and dusting brush, that's not included. Alright, that's everything you get. A set of 4 casters, a hard floor tool, a hose handle, crevice tool, 2 wands, manuals, and 1 bag. So I guess right away you'd probably want to order some bags. Now something I found interesting is on the box it states that this is to put tools on, this section here, which is real interesting. So I guess like you set your tools on top of that. It's a flat surface while you're working. The other thing that's interesting is this has got to be one of the only new machines that comes with a blower. So if you're one of those people who wants to redistribute dirt, go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bag in right away and then start assembling this machine. Right away that bag Just fits in. That's really cool. That just goes on there. Yeah, those latches are super nice. They're really easy to do. And it does index as well. Now right here, and you have a parking position there. The next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna put casters on this. And the casters are not square, they're off canter. And what's interesting, oh, that's real interesting. So you do not have to use the caster base. You can just use it as a bucket if for some reason you were putting this someplace stationary. So that's kind of cool. I'm not going to use it like that, but that's cool to see. Let's go ahead and just put our casters on. Alright, those snap in pretty easy. Get a little mushy at the end. Got our casters. Let's go ahead and put that. Oh, I see what the parking position's for. Okay. You can park the hose right here. Oh. That is handy and nice. And the hose clips on and off like this. And there's actually some accessories you can get that clip on and off this. The wands will store right here. And presumably the crevice tool just sits right there. Or you can fit the crevice tool in front. So that is all very nice and compact. I really like that. You have a nice carrying handle here. And it's pretty lightweight. So let's go ahead and check its working vacuum. I am most curious to see what the numbers are. I have no idea. Oh, you just turn it on with this knob. You know what? That ain't bad. 41 inches working, 60 inches sealed, a mile above sea level. That is not bad, especially considering the price of this thing. Now, as far as maneuverability goes, it's actually pretty decent. It is on 4 casters, so you definitely get some filter queen action going here. But it feels super light when you tug this along. So that's something about this that I'm just really happy with. I really like this hose clip. They know their audience, so they know that somebody's going to be just winding this up and stowing this in the closet. I think that's super convenient. The other thing is the cord is 6 meters long, or 20 feet, which is pretty long for a shop vac type thing. All right, we're going to do a hard floor pickup test. I got fine sand, breakfast cereal, cat litter, and fresh pet hair. And you may have noticed the sound of my voice has changed. We have the studio mic going, so you're going to hear the real sound of the machine. Well, it dislocated one piece of cat litter. Other than that, it did fantastic. So this did pretty good on the hard floor. The attachment is not really designed to do like area rugs or carpet, but I'm just curious to see what it does on this area rug. We had some guests from out of town, so there is some natural pet hair embedded into this rug as well. So let's see what happens. I have to say, for being such a strange attachment, it does well on this low pile area rug. It's not the best, but heck, that squeegee in the back makes it pretty easy to push. So if you had to clean an area rug in a pinch, this would definitely do it. Should you buy the Karcher? Well, this is not a full review, but I will say my first impressions are very positive, especially for a vacuum made in a country that's most famous for making AKs, Romania. So I am really impressed with what you get for the value proposition of this machine. Like I said, it can be found under $100. I just vacuumed the basement of my house, which is about 2,000 square feet, with the TK286 attached. Fantastic cleaner with that attachment. Would I recommend this over a Henry? Probably not for purposes of a domestic cleaner. So this machine does wet pickup as well. What you do for that is you pull this out. We pull the bag off of here. There's no sealant on the bag, unfortunately. And then you just insert that in there. I have 5 liters of water in the bucket. Let's go ahead and see how it does. Now there was nothing in the manual whether I should leave that filter in or out, so I just left it in. Yeah, it's pretty wet. It definitely sucked up all the water, so probably holds almost 10 liters. Yeah, that filter was filthy wet, but it's dry in the intake. So yeah, we're probably just gonna let all that dry overnight. So yes, it does suck up water as advertised. But overall, I'm very positive. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. That would help us out a whole lot. If this video gets the views, I of course will do a full review where we tear it down and everything. If you found this video helpful, go to the link down below. That helps the channel out a whole lot. If you own a Karcher, I'd love to hear from you, what your experience is with a Karcher and which model you own. Definitely comment below, and have yourself a fantastic day.